All right, we're going to take send things back. I got a chance to go and spend some time talking with the owner of Maui Slime.
Oh.
Maui Slime Co. They're right
That
here.
sounds fun.
It is Manono Street Marketplace, and we're going to toss to that right now. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Island Life Live, spreading joy, creativity, and a sense of community through the simple pleasure of slime. Joining me right now is Crystal Phillips, owner of Maui Slime Co. Hello, Crystal, how are you?
Aloha, I'm doing great, thank you.
I love that description of the creativity and the joy through slime. First of all, before we get into the slimy part of this interview, can you tell us your origin story and how Maui Slime Co. was created?
Yes, so I created Maui Slime Co. with my daughters. They started making squishies, actually. They would form these little squishies out of foam. I was just so impressed with their creativity. Then slime started getting quite popular. This was back in about 2017. And so they moved on to slime. And so I thought, why not make a business out of this with my daughters, help them learn some life lessons. And so we started an Etsy shop, and they were making slime on the floor in bowls, and it was just, and they seemed to really be having a great time. And so that's how we started this business.
Well, I got to tell you, Krista, when I was looking at your website, I was smiling. I mean, the items that you have on the website, I actually thought were food items. They look so good enough to eat, but they're actually for you to kind of squish around. That is so awesome. Now, it's the Maui Slime Co., but your current store is in Hilo at the Manono Marketplace. How did that happen?
So we moved to Hilo about a year and a half ago from Maui. We had the business. I was just doing markets here, engaging with the community that way, and that was really good. But I always had it in my heart to open a store. And this opportunity at Manono Street Marketplace came up, and so I applied for the lease. You know, in faith, it's risky. I took a step and I got the spot. And so we worked really hard to open the space. My husband built it all out for me. My kids were helping. And so we just really worked together and to make it happen.
Well, it looks like a fun space. Absolutely. Now, can you tell us what we're going to experience when we walk into Maui Slime Co.?
Yeah, so you're going to walk in and you're going to see, on one side, you're going to see my daughter's artwork. And you're going to see my other daughter's creations from crochet and knit. She does that. And then you're going to come and you're going to notice that at the front, you have a lot of options that you can create your own slime. So you come right up to the front and you decide what texture you want to make. Then you're going to decide what color you want it to be, what smell you'd like. You can pick a charm. You can pick like little sprinkles to add in if you want. And then you get to sit down and you get to create your own slime.
That sounds like fun. I want to, when we're up there in Hilo, I definitely want to come stop by, because that actually looks like, because sometimes we have anxiety and stress. Would that help if I make me a little slime thing and I can play with that all day? Would that help?
Yeah, that would help. Many people actually use slime to relieve stress. They can customize it so if they like certain smells that just seem to like really calm them down, bring them a peaceful sense, they can choose those different types of scents and textures. And it just relieves anxiety when you're playing with it and the touch.
Yeah, very cool. All right, Crystal, if we want to come and visit you, please tell us where you are. And then perhaps if we want to, just kind of niele or check out your store before we step into the brick and mortar, where can we find you online?
So my website is mauislimeco.com. Very simple.
Okay.
You can find me on Instagram at mauislime.co.
And of course, you're at the Manono Marketplace. And we look forward to seeing you this week when we're in Hilo for Hilo Week. Thank you so much. Crystal Phillips is the owner of Maui Slime Co. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.